Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Why do zebras have stripes? Today we discuss into the topic of zebra stripes. Although most people tend to think of zebras as the white animals with black stripes. Number two, scientists have discovered that the zebras is actually a black animals with white stripes. Much like a fingerprint, the stripes on the zebras are unequal. No two animals have the same pattern. Number 3. But why do they have stripes at all? Whether roaming around the zoo or running across the street, the zebras as the animals that sticks out, the zebras black and white stripes pattern could not be more obvious. That might not be the case when it is the come to zebras predator. However, in the world, the zebras main is the lion, an animal known to be convergent. Scientists who study animals that the zebra's pattern is a sort of the camouflage that helps it hide from the predator. Imagine that you can only see black, white, and shades of grey. A solid color dark horse standing in the light color tall grass would be very obvious. A zebra stripes, however, help it to blend in with the grasses and bushes, making it much more difficult to see. Some biologists also believe the zebra stripes among be helpful when zebras run in a herd. When a large number of zebras move together, their stripes could appear to be one large animal running. This illustration may confuse predator, making it difficult for them to pick out single animal to attack. Studies, however, have cast about the popular camouflage theory. Researchers have noted that the many other gazing animals of Africa had not developed similar stripe to the delta predator. Instead, reasoning have discovered that the stripes may have two other purposes: the regulation of body temperature and the determining breeding files. Scientists began studying this possibility when they noticed that zebra in the hotter area landed to have more stripes. In a large study of the African zebras, researchers found that the zebra stripes correlated closely with the temperature and the precipitation, not the precipitation of the lion. This led them due to the conclusion they and look for other explanation. Although no hard conclusions can yet be drawn, these new studies scientists now believe zebra stripes may have kept in zebra's color. Some scientists suggest that they moves more quickly over black stripes and less quickly over white stripes. Causing air to swim back the stripes meat and the theoretical cooling the zebra skin. Other researchable beliefs zebras in the hotter area have more stripes to the delta decrease carrying files such as twisted files and horse lines. Researchable have learned that waiting files which prefer hot weather don't like a land or striped surface. The presence of more stripes in warmer areas could be a natural defense against the beating files. So that's all for today. Please tell us in comment section why are the zebra stripes. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting videos.